deliver inspections for telecom infrastructure. We are mainly focused on doing inspections for line of sight measurements between two send locations, and we make digital twins of cell towers, so you can do your inspections digitally and have a good maintenance strategy for your cell towers. And next to that, we are developing new techniques for doing field strength mappings in the air with drones.
Which makes sense, I think, because the more drones there are in the air, the more buildings there are.
Yeah.
You want to have a sort of security that your connection and the communication with your drones stays intact. That is what it is?
That's basically what it is. So we want to supply a safe area in the air which has a good coverage for field strength.
Yeah.
So autonomous flights are possible in the future, and then we can supply and maintain the areas that are planned in a good efficient weather.
And that is new technology that is coming up, or are you working on that?
Well, the technology is coming up. It's already there. There's companies who are already supplying such measurement systems. We are just working on working structures where you can also apply them to a drone and have efficient working structures to supply the measurements that are needed or asked for.
What is your? You're here at the show 4 years from now.
Yeah.
Where are you 4 years from now? What are you hoping to achieve?
Hopefully we will be working together with companies who are supplying these kind of infrastructures in the air, and we are also hoping to be a part of a new revolution for inspections in this field. Yeah.
Good luck with the show.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
And have a good day.